I throw salute and I wake up for football and Pidgin. After match, talk about how you see them. I beg if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like this video, and make you drop a comment. Chelsea 1 and Crystal Palace 0. And we get Oga Ose, we be like saying, oh, don't get Chelsea fan, make tell us about how you see this game. Oga Ose, for the last 9 games, Chelsea get only 1 win for Premier League. But today, Chelsea don't record another win. And you just smile. That one means say you like what you see. Tell us about the performance from your team today.
I want to take some pass now, in the sense that as we win, it's good for us.
Yes.
We build the team confidence a little, because Liverpool will go play next. But I want to say the team don't balance. Because even at that, Palace na still less. Don't just they misbehave. Team B for Chelsea to feel beating like Palace. But as how we don't get out victory first, make everybody okay small for us. At least move so that the winning fee improve our confidence for our next game. That's what I say the game to be.
All right, now for today's game, now which player be your man of the match?
Thiago Silva.
Thiago Silva for you.
Yes, now see how they command the game. See what you do. At least Gallagher also improve. Even Ziyech play well. At least the second half, Ziyech actually improved. Then that level we saw the West tries more during the second half. So I think it's small improvement in show. But this one already to just judge the team here. It's a team will come back in form. Yeah.
So make I ask you about their shell now. How you seeing performance today? Young defender we come from Monaco. How you seeing performance today for today's match?
I always tell you this thing, for any player to come to Chelsea, you are a good player. But I don't think one game to judge you. And now we know what they make. I remember when we signed Cucurella.
No, just talk about today's performance.
Yeah, but you get calm now, at least no pressure now. Palace no more pressure us for the game. So I don't feel he try corner calm person. And I feel say inside the risk game. When the movement shows not apply the risk game. All this other set piece. You say you get to knock them out. Good for her already. So for today's performance, it's okay. Yeah.
So for during the first half, when first half end for this match, you get the player where they bring come inside the pitch for Stamford Bridge, Mudryk, where Chelsea finished the signing. Today now they complete the signing. He entered inside London yesterday. 100 million euros signing from Shakhtar Donetsk. Now, how you see the signing as a Chelsea fan?
Like I always say, now prospect will be fine now. This season is gone. Understand? So I just feel say maybe the plan now for future, not for now. So even about future, because I don't know about the guy, because me personally, I never really observed that guy. I never watched and went for Shakhtar Donetsk, man, not lie. So even about future, the most waiting go fit offer. It seems people is not good about the guy. So na good decision. Because at the stand now, our players will get normally before. Like the policies, they don't sure say they don't feel improve past this level. So the new competitors or players don't need to go make another new face the team. So na good one for us.
Yeah, you talk about Chelsea match. It's just Chelsea next game now against Liverpool. As a Chelsea fan, what team be your prediction for that game?
As a Chelsea fan, I predict say we go win. I don't feel say Liverpool go beat us. I don't think before saying we start to win and so we go win the goal. Whether Potter are good or Potter not good, that's how it go be. Once our players have to come back now, the natural good players once they come back now, everybody go good for Chelsea. That's what I say to be.
So your scoreline prediction for the match?
At least 2-0 or 2-1 or 1-0.
All right now, Oga Ose. My country people, now lawyer boy, of course, we dey loyal like lawyer me. I say make I thank una as you take watch this our content, but make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share am with your friends and family. And also, the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, dey for the description for inside this video.